Hello viewers, welcome you all to another interesting video that deals with one of the elements of packaging. Let me check your knowledge. If you have a fruit jam with you, in which of these containers do you store it? This or this? What's your answer? This one, isn't it? Let me ask you another question. If you are in a store and you see these two containers of face powder, which of these two you will buy? Yes, you will select this one. I think you got an idea of what we are going to deal within this video. So stay tuned and don't skip any part of this video to know about one of the important element of a package. But before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, click on subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications of my all further videos. Hey friends, I am Amit Belekar and today we are going to discuss about types of containers. After going through this video, the learner will be able to enlist types of containers and describe the types of containers. Already in the previous video, we discussed what are containers. The container is an element of a package in which the product is placed. Now let's see what are the types of containers. These are as follows: well-closed containers, tightly closed containers, airtight or hermetically sealed containers, light-resistant containers, single-dose containers, multiple-dose containers, tamper-evident or resistant containers, aerosol containers, and other containers. Let's see these containers one by one in detail. First is a well-closed container. As the name indicates, well-closed containers can close well to protect the content. These are the containers that protect the contents or product from extraneous matters like air, dust, or insects, and the loss of a drug under ordinary conditions of handling, storage, and distribution. The next container is tightly closed containers. These containers protect their content from contamination by liquids, solids, or vapors, and from loss or deterioration of the material from effervescence, deliquescence, or evaporation under normal conditions of handling, storage, and distribution. These should be capable of being tightly reclosed after use. For example, gas cylinder is a metallically tightly closed container designed to hold gas under pressure. The next containers are airtight or hermetically sealed containers. As the name indicates, these containers are impervious to air and other gases. The closure of these containers may be made up of rubber or it has an inner lining made up of rubber. Rubber produces airtight sealing. These protect their contents from moisture, dust, and air. Airtight sealed containers are used for injectables and airtight closed containers are meant for the storage of other products. Another important container is light resistant container. As the name indicates, these containers protect their content from the effects of light. These are used mostly when the medicament is photosensitive. A clear, colorless or translucent material can be made light resistant by employing an opaque enclosure, that is covering with colored paper or by changing its color. The color of the container material can be changed by the addition of certain metallic oxides during its manufacturing. For example, iron oxide gives an amber color which protects content from ultraviolet light. If a container with an opaque closure is used, the label should bear a statement stating that the opaque covering is needed until all the contents have been used up. As if it is removed before emptying the contents, it may lead to deterioration of the product. Another type is single dose containers. As the name indicates, these containers are used to supply only one dose of medicament. These are used mostly to hold parenteral and sterile solutions. These are designed in such a manner that the contents cannot be removed without the destruction of the closure. It is not possible to reseal or reclose such containers. These are disposed of after contents have been utilized. For example, ampoules. Next is multiple dose container. Here also, as the name indicates, these containers contain more than one dose and allow the withdrawal of doses of medicament at various intervals without changing the strength, quality or purity of the remaining medicament. For example, vials. Next one is Tamper-Evident or Tamper-Resistant container. As the name indicates, these containers resist the tempering of the seal or opening. That is, oppose any damage to the seal or opening. These have one or more indicators or barriers to entry or seals. If these indicators or barriers are missing or breached, it is visible evidence to consumer that tempering has occurred. Tamper-evident seals are applied on the container and closure so that if the closure is open, the seal will automatically break. For example, strip packages, blister packages, film wrappers, bubble packs, shrink seal bands, foil, paper or plastic pouches, bottle seal, tape seal, breakable caps, sealed tubes, aerosols, sealed cartons, etc. Next one is aerosol containers. These containers are used to hold aerosol products, that is, products which release drug in the form of droplets. These containers should have adequate mechanical strength to bear the pressure of aerosol packing. Other special containers like child resistant containers, film wrappers, blister packages, strip packages, foil and paper pouches, sealed tubes, etc. can also be used. Now it's time to summarize today's session. Today we discussed different types of containers used in pharmaceutical packaging. Thank you for watching this video patiently. If you think this video is useful, please like it and share it with your dear ones who will also get benefited from this video. If you still didn't subscribe to my channel, click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. If you have any query, ask me in the comments or on my mail address. Thank you once again and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.